Hello folks, if you have been struggling with understanding the actual move of the market and you find it very difficult taking high probability trade setups, then you need to stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you what actually is the problem, why you are losing your money in the market. Despite the fact that you have studied all the concepts of the smart money, yet you still find yourself almost always on the wrong side of the market. I'm going to show you all of the mistakes that you have been doing, all right, concerning the market. In today's episode, I want to tell you that the reason why you probably are losing money in the market is because you are trading the fake CHOCH. CHOCH stands for change of character. Probably you are trading the fake CHOCH. So in this episode, we are going to be discussing about the fake CHOCH, and we're going to be discussing as well as about your proper trading range. This is very crucial if you must become consistently profitable in the market. Now, I'm going to show you how we analyze the market to get this trade, this one that you're seeing here. All right, it gave us about 9 hours on the 15 minutes time frame. But I took this trade on the 1 minute time frame. It gave me well over 18 hours. All right, now I'm also going to show you how we analyze this market here to take our trade from here also. And as you can see, price has moved down. Okay, now this small movement here on the 1 minute time frame has given huge move. All right, very huge profit, even with this little move on the 15 minutes. When you get to your 1 minute, it's a huge move. Now, these two trades were called out and posted on our free Telegram channel, and I'm going to show you that right away. As you can see, this is the trade that we call out even before it happened. As you can see, this is the first one. It tapped on our point of interest precisely and dropped. Can you see that? And then went back up, tap on this our point of interest, as you can see, and then is dropping as well. What was the logic that we used for these two trades? All right, I'm going to show you all of that. Just stick with me till the end of this video. Now, first of all, the first thing you need to do is to map your structure. If you don't understand how to map your structure correctly, please go to our playlist. You will find how to identify your highs and lows video in that our playlist. Watch that video before you come to this one, so that you can really understand what we're discussing about here. Now, first of all, I want to clear up the charts. I want to start from a very clean chart so that you can understand every step of what we'll be discussing here. Now, let's start first of all by marking the structure of the market. All right, I'm going to use this 15 minutes as our higher time frame. Unfortunately, I'm not going to go down the entry time frame, the 1 minute time frame, to show you how we took these trades. All right, now, because of time, I don't want this video to be long. Okay, but I just want to show you the fake CHOCH that you have been trading in the market and the wrong trading ranges that you have been marking in the market. Now, let's start from here. Now, as you can see, price printed this low. All right, when it printed this low, take a look at it. Where is your inducement for any low or high to be confirmed? Inducement has to be taken. And here, where is your inducement in the market? Well, your major inducement in the market is here. So if you like, this is your major inducement. So if price takes that out, all right, then this low is confirmed. All right, so now that price has taken it out, that is known as inducement being taken. All right, without inducement being taken, please don't enter the market, don't buy or sell. So this low can be confirmed. Where is the low? Is it actually this one? This one is the low. All right, so that low is confirmed. And for this high to be confirmed, price has to take out this low with a candle closure. All right. And therefore, if this becomes our new low now, so price has to take it out with a candle closure. And let's see whether that happens. Take a look at what happened here, guys. Did it take it out with a candle closure? No, it didn't take it out with a candle closure. So this, our high, cannot be confirmed just yet. Why? Because for your lower high, in the case of a bearish structure, to be confirmed, price has to travel back down to take out the major structure low and close below it. But this didn't happen there. This one wicked, all right, at this major structure point. So this actually is not a break of structure. It's simply a liquidity sweep, all right? And then price travel back up after taking this major structure out with a wick. Now, when it travel up, now this low cannot become, this lower high cannot be confirmed. Now price went up again. Now this low will be transferred from here, guys. This is crucial for you to understand. Why? This low has to be transferred from this point to this point. This is your new low now. All right? Please take note of this. Take note of this. So this becomes your new low in the market, guys. Simple. This becomes your new low. You transfer that low to this point. All right? And this now, this one, is not your break of structure. So this cannot be there. This is just liquidity grab. You call it liquidity grab. All right? Now, this high, because it did not close below this low, this high is not confirmed. So this high now can also be transferred to this one. Simple. Please take things simple. This high will be transferred to this high here. And for this high here to be confirmed, it has to take out inducement. All right? It has to take out inducement. And where is your inducement? Check. Where is a valid pullback here before this low? Where is a valid pullback that you can say that is your inducement? This is one straight leg down, guys. A lot of guys will mark this point as CHOCH when price took this point out. This is what I want to show to you. Please take note of this. Very, very crucial. A lot of guys, look at it. Price took it out with a candle closure. So will you say this is a CHOCH? A lot of guys will call this a CHOCH. This is where you are getting it all wrong. And this is why you are losing money in the market. There is no inducement here for any high or low to be confirmed. Inducement has to be taken. But there is no inducement on this leg. Your inducement is always on the left-hand side. And where is the inducement here? This becomes your inducement in the market, guys. And therefore, when price breaks and closes, whether closes below it or takes it out with a candle wick, this becomes your inducement in the market. This, your major structure low, becomes your inducement in the market. So therefore, this major structure low that you think is a major structure low here is going to be null and void here. It will be transferred from this point to this low here. This is your new low. Everything will be transferred. All right? This is inducement. I want you to confirm, to understand that this becomes your inducement in the market. An inducement has been taken and created this low. And because inducement has been taken, your high has to be confirmed now. And so therefore, this is your high in the market, guys. It's as simple. This is your high. This is your low. Simple. So this becomes your new trading range. This is your high. This is your low. This is your new trading range. Do you understand what we're trying to say here? This one is inducement. An inducement has been taken. So your trading range is between this high and this low. And for this low to be confirmed as a valid low, inducement has to be taken. And where is the inducement here? Inducement is taken here, guys. Simple. This is the inducement that has been taken out. Okay? For that low to be confirmed as a valid low. So this is actually your trading range. Not this one. Not the previous one I showed to you. All right? So now let's continue to look at it. After your inducement, I said 2 OBs work within your trading range. So where is the first OB on your trading range? Now take a look at this. just take a look at this. After this trading range, after this inducement has been taken, where is your DOB? Your DOB becomes here. Your DOB is here. Where is your DOB? It's here. I think so. This is your DOB. Because you need a fair value gap for your DOB. And then where is your extreme OB? This becomes your extreme OB, guys. As simple. This becomes your extreme OB here. All right? Sorry. So that becomes your extreme OB. So if price, all right, this is your DOB, your extreme OB. So let's continue to see what happens in the market. Now, as you can see, price came to this DOB, tap into that DOB and drop. Okay? Price tap into it and drop. And therefore, this is your trade setup. This is called direct entry. Why is it known as direct entry? It's because there is no form of confirmation. All right? But on the, you confirm on your entry time frame, which is the 1M. Like I told you, it gave me over 18 hours on the 1M. So, but on this, if you are an aggressive trader, you can take price to this low here. It's as simple. All right? And it gave us about 9 hours there. Okay? Simple analysis, simple trade setup. And after that, price went higher. Let's continue to mark the structure. So this is your high. This is your low. All right? On the 15M, after this low is confirmed. Now, your higher low should be confirmed. Where is your higher low? This becomes your higher low in the market. But no, that is not your higher low because price has to take out this low here with a candle closure for your higher low to be confirmed. All right? Now, as you can see, price went sideways here and eventually it went up and dropped. Okay? Look at it. Let me show that to you. Simple trade setup, guys. Look at it. It went up, price went up and formed this high. For this high to be confirmed as a lower high, price has to come down to take out this major structure low here. This is your major structure low in the market, guys. Price has to come and take it out. And as you can see, price took it out with a candle wick initially, but eventually it closed below. Candle closed below this wick. All right? Confirming this high as a valid structure high on the 15 minutes, that is. This is your valid high. All right? Lower high. Now, that's your valid lower high in the market. Now, this is where you guys are making mistake again. So if this becomes your valid lower high, where is your lower low? Now, take a look. Your lower low will be here, this low. Where is the inducement to confirm this low? Well, you can actually say this is your inducement. Let me show that to you. To confirm this low, where is your inducement? Look at price came here, went back up and came back down to take out this low. So this is your inducement in the market. All right, simple. This is your 15 minutes inducement. Can you see that? Simple analysis. Please follow me. I want to show you what you are doing wrong in the market. So it took out that inducement to confirm this low. So this low now is confirmed as a lower low. It's confirmed as a lower low. Now, remember, this is, let me show you something here. Now, remember, this is the structure of the market on the 15 minutes now. Okay? High, lower low, lower high, lower low, isn't it? Now, when price takes out this very structure, major structure point here on the 15 minutes, all right? You call that a CHOCH. But take note of this, guys. You call this a CHOCH. A lot of you guys are making that kind of mistake too. You call this a CHOCH. Is this actually a CHOCH? Think about it, guys. If you say this is a CHOCH, let's just denote that this is a CHOCH for a moment and believe that this is a CHOCH. All right? Now, take note of here, it's a CHOCH. So when price closes above, you guys will say that is change of character. That price is going higher. This is where you're getting it all wrong. So your trading range now becomes between here and here on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay? But if you move a step higher on your time frame, this where you mark as a major structure high on the 15 minutes. If we get to the 1 hour, let's just check the 1 hour and see. All right? Where is that place we marked? This is where we marked on the 15M as our change of character. Look at it. This is where we marked, all right, on the 15M as our change of character. But on the 1 hour, is this actually a change of character? No. This is 1 hour inducement, guys. This is 1 hour inducement. To confirm this low on the 1 hour, inducement has to be taken. And as you can see, this is the inducement on the 1 hour. So your 1 hour inducement is your 15 minutes change of character. And the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Okay? So therefore, when we get back to that 15 minutes, let's get back to the 15M. Please take note of this. This is why you are losing money in the market. Okay? Your 15 minutes change of character is actually your 1H inducement. It's your 1H inducement. And the higher time frame must control the lower time frame. So this is your 1H inducement. This one is your 1H inducement. So this your high here on the 15 minutes, this major structure high is null and void because the 1H, which is your higher time frame to this 15 minutes, has nullified this as your change of character. And so therefore, this is, let's delete this so that you can understand what we're talking about. Let's delete this one. All right? So your structure in the market, your actual structure in the market is, this is your high. All right? This low is no more valid here. This low is now transferred to this one. So this is your high. This is your low. Simple. Simple. This low here is no more valid. Why? Because your lower high is invalidated by the 1 hour inducement. All right? So that is not your low in the market anymore. Everything is transferred. Simple, guys. It's the simple logic. You don't just take trades in the market anyhow. So this becomes your high. This becomes your low. This is your trading range, guys. This is your trading range. And that is why this extreme OB here is high probability OB. All right? That's why it's high probability OB. I don't want to take you to the daily time frame to show you why this market on the 15 minutes is a bearish market. All right? Because on your daily time frame, let's get to the daily time frame and let me show you something. On the daily time frame, actually, let's see something. Let me just show you something. Very simple logic. Please always find a story around your trade setup. Don't just trade anyhow. Okay? Now take a look. See, price was supposed to break structure here on the daily time frame for it to be a break of structure, but it took it out with a wick. With this huge candle wick. Remember, the bulls were in control before. Before the bears came in and pushed them down, pushed the buyers down, and eventually closed below this major structure point here. Can you see that? It shows to you that the bears have taken over. What do they want to do? They are likely to push price lower. All right? They are likely to push price lower. And this is what happened here. All right? This is exactly what happened here. Now, remember, here, inducement has to be taken for this low to be confirmed. For this high to be confirmed. And that inducement is taken out here. All right? So that inducement is confirmed. So whatever you want to do here, you must understand that price is likely to retrace a bit lower than it is now. Okay? We are actually bullish, but with this development here, this story around this candle, this swoosh candle, is telling you that the BS have taken over and they are likely to push price lower. Even if it's not going to change the whole of this uptrend, but it will be pushed lower. All right? Now it has grabbed inducement here to confirm this high. Maybe it can tap on a point of interest here and start going higher. All right? We don't know. So I am just trying to show you. Let's get back to that 15M so that you can learn why you are losing in the market as SMC trader. Fake CHOCH. Because you mark the fake CHOCH, then your trading range will also be wrong. All right? Please take note of this. If you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment section and I will do my best to attend to your questions. All right? Now, if you are new to our channel, please, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do us a favor by giving us your subscription. It's completely free. You can now turn on the notification bell so that anytime we publish a new video, you'll be notified about it. And if you haven't joined our free Telegram channel, please do so just immediately because we post high probability trade setups almost on daily basis there, such as the one I just showed to you now. All right? Now, if you want to get this kind of knowledge, you want to cut short your learning curve, our promo is still going on. All right? Our promo is still going on. It will end, I think, on tomorrow or Monday. That promo of 10% discount is going to end. So, but the registration for the January intake will be opened by January 15 and it will run through January ending. All right? Take advantage of it. We have reduced our mentorship fee so ridiculously. All right? We have reduced it so ridiculously because we believe that in 2024, we should raise champion traders in the market. That is our goal. And that's why we have reduced it so ridiculously. Take advantage of it and become part of our VIP community. All right, guys, I see you in our next educational video.